What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to build battle blades. If you are new to the channel, hit that like button and subscribe, and also comment down below what should I do in the next video. Now let's go in. Let's open the box now. There's so many stuff. First, there is stickers like this, and you can put it on your blades. And you get this right here, this piece. And now you get that piece like this, and you flip it like that, and you put like that, and you get, where is it? Right there. And this piece goes down, and the white things goes on the color, and you do this.
You push it.
You push it down and spin it around till it goes in, and it's done. And
you can push the sticker on it.
Yeah, and you just, if you wanna, you have to move it like that, and you can put it on, and you can wear it like.
Show them the blade.
Okay, this is a blade, and it kind of looks weird the first time, but if you connect it right, it's really hard to connect. Oh gosh, guys.
Show them the another one.
Wait, I think I did it the wrong way. Yeah, guys, like this. Now, follow me, guys, to the stairs. Now you connect these two right like this, and you get this string to put it on. First, you actually put it on like this. Like now you do this and put it on right here, and accidentally broke again. And you do this and let it rip. Done.
So guys, we're gonna show you in the bucket. So how it spin. So let's show you in the bucket.
Guys, did you also see two battle blades? Because this box from Amazon, you can get it and get two battle blades. Now let's go into the box one.
And let's spin it, and let's do a song, and I will show you the battle blade spinning. Guys, you can see where we're gonna spin it. So like we didn't have a box to spin it, so we're gonna spin it in Halloween box. So let's do it. Battle. You can see there, guys. There's another one. They're fighting. Oh, the white one win. I'll show you guys how it look like. Look at this cool thing, battle blade. Look at that. It's so cool. This is the next one, and this is the dragon one, and it's the coolest. You can also.
No, this is the ninja one.
Yeah, this is the ninja one.
And this is the dragon one.
Yeah, the ninja one can
go fast.
Go fast and go in the water faster, and it's gonna look like a tornado. So say something to them about, if you wanna watch this video, please
subscribe and hit that like button,
and comment down below how do you like this video or not. And if you subscribe to and press that bell button, we can make more video about battle blades. So thank you for watching our video.